Hello, good morning students. Coming to the next exercise of our workbook, theme 3, worksheet number 2, and it is in page number 39 to 40. Okay, so it continues till 40 page number. And here what you have to do in B5, question number B5, find the error and correct the sentences. Now, sentences are given and there is a mistake. Actually, the error is related to preposition. A wrong preposition has been written in the sentences. You have to correct the sentences with the appropriate preposition. Okay, let us do the first one. The film will begin in 5 o'clock. Now, which is the preposition here? You know it is in, and in is wrong because they have given you the specific time, and when it is specific time, what do we write? We write at. Yes. So here we have to write the full sentence. The film will begin at 5 o'clock. So it is the specific time, particularly at 5 o'clock only it will start. So we have to write the correct preposition, that is at. Okay, you need not underline it, I just underline to show you the correct one. Number 2, we will meet again for 2 weeks time. Now which is the preposition here? For. Now as you know, for is wrong, it is not at all correct, or we can put a double line in it. This is wrong. And what do we have to write? Because 2 weeks time is given. So it is a period of time. When it is period of time, we write in 2 weeks time. Yes. We will meet again. And because it is a period of time, so we have to write, here we have to write in 2 weeks. Now how to write weeks? We write weeks and then put a apostrophe, because when we have done the use of apostrophe, we knew that when it is a plural word, weeks here means 2 weeks. So after that you have to put the apostrophe mark to show weeks time position. So this is your correct preposition, that is in 2 weeks time. The third sentence, my birthday is on the month of October. So you know when it is month is given, what do we write? Do we write on? No, this is incorrect. And we have to write, when the month is mentioned, you have to write in. Yes. Please children, remember all these things. When it is month, we use in, year, we use in, day and date, we use on. Is in the month of October. So children, this is your correct preposition. Okay, you can put like this. In. Okay, in is your correct. So the correct answers of number 1 is the film will begin at 5 o'clock. We will meet again in 2 weeks time. And third one, my birthday is in the month of October. Now we will do the rest of the sentences. Okay students, coming to the next sentence, that is sentence number 4. Let us read the sentence. The stars shine bright in night. Now which is the preposition here? In, isn't it? In. Now we discussed in the previous module that some particular time of the day we mention either in or on. Like we say, do we say in night? Do we say in night? No. We say at night, in the evening, okay, in the morning, at noon. So that we discussed the time period of the day we mentioned, and it is particularly, you should remember those things, children. So the stars shine bright at night. For night we write at, in the morning, for morning we write in, for evening we write in, at noon. But in noon time we say in the afternoon, but at noon, okay. The stars shine bright at night. Okay, students, so your correct preposition is at. Okay. Next, the class has been going on from 30 minutes. Now, which is the incorrect preposition? It is from. Now, the class has been going on from 30 minutes. Is it correct? No. You will say a period of time. So, for 30 minutes. For a period of time, we discussed that for 2 hours or for 5 hours or for 10 minutes or for 30 minutes. So, when it is a period of time, it's mentioned, the specific starting date is not mentioned. We write for. So, we will write in this way. The class has been going on for 30 minutes. Okay, children? So the class has been going on for 30 minutes. And the last sentence which we have to do is, she has not been where after last month. After last month? No. We are knowing that when it is starting point. So we know last month. So we will write that she has not been, sorry, it is not month, it is Monday. Okay? So it is okay, now the sixth sentence we will do. She has not been well after last Monday. Now we know the starting point. Specific starting point is mentioned that from which day she is not well. From last Sunday. So we have to write she has not been well since last Monday. Yes, we know that the specific. So we write she has not been well, and after is wrong, so we write since. Since last Monday. Okay, students? So after preposition will not come, it will come since. S-I-N-C-E. Okay? I hope you can read it properly. Just drop and write it once more. S-I-N-C-E. Since last Monday. So the answers of 4th, 5th and 6th are: the stars shine bright at night. The class has been going on for 30 minutes and she has not been well since last month. So please do this exercise in your workbook. Thank you, children.